This video shows how to buy shares of Telstra Group Ltd and explains the basic steps. Telstra is an Australian telecommunications company listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker TLS.ASX. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with a valid ID, and then add funds to the account before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker TLS.ASX to find Telstra Group Ltd. Make sure you select the listed instrument that matches the company name and ticker. Open the Telstra asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name and TLS.ASX ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit order, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, your Telstra position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration steps.